Hey everyone, Michael here and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to crush it in Q4. This is a topic that I get asked a lot recently because we are in Q4 and everyone are anxious in getting the strategies and getting ready going to Q4 because this is the most important quarter of the year. So I want you to be ready. So pay attention to this video, take a lot of notes, and I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so let's get to it. So let's get into this. How to dominate e-commerce in Q4. First of all, why is Q4 so important? Well, Q4 is the peak time of the year for online shopping. Due to the holiday buying season going into Christmas, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday, many e-commerce business owners are seeing sales volumes as high as sales from Q1 to Q3 combined. Now, for those of you who are asking about COVID, how is that going to affect e-commerce? Well, due to COVID, traffic have actually increased significantly during the past couple months. People are even more comfortable placing orders online, and we have already saw suppliers having a hard time keeping up with the demand for the past couple months. So going into Q4, it will be even busier. What you need to know, the good, all right? Conversion rate will increase, average order value will increase as well, and people are looking for deals to buy. Open rate for your email will also increase. Now, the bad, there will be shipping delays. Just because going to Q4, people are going to place a lot of orders online and a lot of advertisers will be advertising, and it's going to be super busy, right? The shipping company is going to have delays, so you have to watch out for that and pay attention to what the announcements are on their website so you can be well informed if your customer asks you certain questions. And you really need to be on top of this because if people are buying gifts for Christmas, they want and expect you to deliver. Next is supplier hiccups. And again, because there are going to be a lot of volume through these suppliers, you have to watch out to see if your suppliers can be on top of the production process and also if they have enough supply. The worst thing that can happen is that you have something moving and it's really hot, you're selling high volumes of it, but your suppliers can't deliver because they are out of stock. So pay attention to the stock volume. If you have something doing really well, you can always contact your suppliers to make sure that they have enough in stock for you to push high volume through them. And also it's very important to keep a good relationship with your suppliers. All right, so next is increase in support tickets. This is another important point. There will be more support tickets asking about shipping, different products, even sizing, because people will be buying a lot of these products for gift giving. So they want to make sure that they get all their questions answered before buying. So there will be increased support ticket normally during Q4, and also because there's more people buying, so then that is why there's more questions as well. So you can either hire a virtual assistant to take care of your customer support or just be on top of it, have a well organized system that you can reply to your customers at a timely manner. Now, the ugly. More advertisers will give you less inventory on the auction, for example, Facebook, and that will increase the cost of advertising. Big companies will be ready to dump their money into advertising, causing competition, and your emails will be drowned out as well. That's why it's very important to have a game plan going into Q4, knowing that cost of advertising is going to increase. How are you going to combat that? And how are you going to be competitive in the market to stand out? That's something that you really need to think about going to Q4 because every year during this time, this always happens and you need to know what to do. Next is knowing your dates. So here are some important dates that you should keep note of. November 11th, that's Singles Day. November 26th, Thanksgiving. November 27th is Black Friday. November 30th is Cyber Monday. December 15th is free shipping. And we have December 24th and 25th, which is Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So you really need to know these days and have a good marketing plan around it. Either Facebook advertising, Google, or email marketing, you have to have a game plan ready going in and marketing efficiently during this time. So what you need to do is you need to get in early and be ready. Don't wait for the last minute to scramble to put everything together, because that's just not going to work. And make sure your pixel's warmed up. Make sure to keep testing and figure out what products you'll be launching during the holidays, evergreen products, and your seasonal products as well. And last but not least, figure out what products and bundles you're going to put together during the holiday season. So again, you don't have to scramble last minute and know exactly what you need to do. So Q4 psychology, customers will be shopping for family and friends. They'll be in a gift-giving mood. Make sure your advertising and branding will reflect this. Here are a few more quick tips. Know your supplier's cutoff dates, because you want to know when's the last day you can ship so your customers can receive the products on a certain day. For example, if they're buying gifts for Christmas, you want to make sure that it arrives before Christmas. You want to make sure that inventory is available during this time. If it's something that always go out of stock, then you should probably not sell that product. And if you're in print on demand, use the design on a different product instead. Again, be on top of your customer support, because you will have increased volume. If you can't handle the customer support, hire a virtual assistant to help you out with that. And lastly, launch your ads early. You don't want to have your ads in pending or under review during Black Friday or the Black Friday weekend, just because that is the most important weekend. You want to make sure your ads are approved and it's running and spending. So make sure you pre-approve your ads or schedule your ads to make sure that it is okay. And when it's game time, you're ready. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment below, let me know your feedback. And if you want more help and assistance, I am doing a 3-day live workshop, and I'll have a link below this video to give you more information. Alright, so with that, I'll see you on the next one.